Sometimes in WhatsApp for some messages you may have seen some reactions. For example, here you can see one reaction like button. For that message, others can react to that message. In this video we will be telling about how to react to any message in WhatsApp. For this, first what we need to do is open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, select the contact to which you want to send reaction for any message. For example, I am selecting this chat. After that, long press on the chat to which you want to react. For example, I want to react to this message. For that, I am long pressing on this message. When you are long pressing, you can see some emojis. If you want to react with any other emojis, here you can see plus button. When you are clicking on that, you can see every emojis. You can select whichever emoji you want. For example, I am selecting this emoji. If you want to change, you can change. Again, long press on this and you can select whichever emoji you want. So this way you can easily react to any message in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.